Hello everyone, this is Quantum Cats. Today, we're talking about Berkshire Hathaway. That's Warren Buffett's company. You've probably seen the headlines. Buffett made a huge move, adding to UnitedHealth, with an investment of roughly $1.5 to $1.6 billion. The news sent the stock jumping 10% in after-hours trading. But aside from UNH, do you know what else he bought? And if you want to be the first to get the most accurate updates, there's actually a really easy way. I'll share that with you in a moment. First, let's look at the list of additions this quarter. Along with UnitedHealth, which, by the way, has already dropped about 50% this year, Buffett added U.S. steel giant Nucor. In real estate and construction, there's Lennar, the second largest homebuilder in the U.S., which he significantly increased. Horton, the largest homebuilder in the U.S., was a brand new position, and Lennar Advertising, which operates outdoor billboards and is structured as a REIT, tied to commercial real estate. The first two are a direct bet on the housing construction cycle, while Lennar is a play on commercial property ad assets. In the industrial products and security segment, he opened a position in Allegion, which makes locks and access control systems either new or small-scale positioning. So how do you find all this information? It's simple. Go to the SEC's EDGAR system, search for Berkshire Hathaway, or enter the CIK code 1067983. Open the latest Form 13 Farad HR, download the information table, and you'll see all holdings with ticker, name, number of shares, and market value. Compare the current quarter to the previous quarter, and you can spot new positions, additions, reductions, or exits. One thing to note, sometimes companies request confidential treatment, which means certain positions won't show up until a later filing. That's why it's best to cross-check with media summaries or data platforms. Of course, you can subscribe to premium services, or, if you can code, scrape the SEC's site yourself. But the easiest way is just to follow me, and I'll share the highlights right away. Overall, Buffett's Q2 portfolio is pretty clear: a defensive core, like UNH, a cyclical test run, like steel, home building, and a boost to some high-moat, steady cash flow names. According to SEC filings, Buffett's average entry price for UNH is around $312. So, even though the stock jumped 10% after hours, I still grabbed a small lot at $297 for a quick trade to copy the homework. Once again, this video is purely for information sharing and does not constitute investment advice. Please do your own research. All right, that's it for today's update. See you next time.